What if I told you you could take AI generated text and make it sound almost completely human in just a few seconds? No complicated prompts, no endless editing, no rewriting everything from scratch. Today, we are checking out AI to Human, a tool designed to transform robotic AI text into something that feels much more natural and human-like. And honestly, this is one of the most interesting AI writing tools I've tested recently. So, in this video, I'll show you how it works, what features it offers, whether it actually improves AI writing content, and why many people are calling it one of the best AI humanizers available right now. Created content is everywhere right now. Students use it, bloggers use it, businesses use it, even YouTubers use AI to speed up script writing. But there is one big problem. Most AI generated text still sounds AI generated. The wording is often too perfect, too repetitive, or just very robotic. And that's exactly where AI to human comes in. According to the platform, the goal is simple. Keep the original meaning of your text, but rewrite it in a way that sounds more natural and human. So, first, what exactly is AI to human? AI to human is basically an AI text humanizer. You pass AI generated content into the tool, choose a few customization settings, click humanize, and the platform rewrites the text for you. The website claims it can help reduce robotic writing patterns, improve readability, and even help content perform better against AI detection systems. Now, obviously, AI detection tools are controversial. A lot of people online say these detectors mostly rely on patterns and probabilities instead of actual proof. So instead of focusing only on bypassing detectors, I think the more important question is, does the writing actually sound better? And honestly, that's the part that matters most. Now let's talk about the interface. One thing I really like here is how simple everything feels. When you open the website, you immediately see the text input area. No complicated dashboard, no confusing menus, no account recording. You just pass your content and start editing. The tool also gives you multiple customization options. For example, you can adjust creativity levels, content preservation, emotional tone, and even the formality of the writing. So if you want something more professional, you can do that. If you want something more casual and conversational, you can also do that. And honestly, that flexibility is pretty useful for creatures. Now, here is the interesting part. AI to human says it doesn't just replace words with synonyms. Instead, it tries to rebuild sentence structure, change pacing, and create more natural writing flow and according to the platform. Their system analyzes over 40 different linguistic patterns to make the text feel more human. That includes things like sentence rhythm, tone variation, word unpredictability, and emotional flow. And honestly, this is one of the reasons why many users are calling AI to human one of the best AI humanizers available right now. Unlike basic rewriting tools that simple swap words around, AI to human focuses on making the entire text feel naturally written from start to finish. A lot of humanizer tools online still produce robotic or awkward sentences, but AI to human feels much smoother, more conversational, and far more realistic. And from my testing, it actually delivers surprisingly high quality results. So I tested the platform with a few different examples. First, I posted a very obvious AI generated paragraph. You know that tip, very normal, repetitive superpollution. Then I clicked humanize button, and the result was honestly impressive. The written version sounded much more natural, more engaging, and significantly more human-like. The sentence flow felt emotion. The wording became more conversational, and overall, the text sounded more authentic. Compared to many other humanizer uh, tools I've tested, AI to human definitely stands out. And that's probably why so many creators online are starting to consider this one of the best AI humanizer platforms currently available. So, who is this actually useful for? I'd say there are a few main groups. First, content creators. If you use AI for blog posts, YouTube scripts, captions of article drafts, this tool can help make the writing sounds more natural. Second, business teams. Companies can use it for generated reports, emails, marketing copy, and internal documents. And third, students. Tools like this can help improve readability and make AI-assisted drafts sound more personal and natural. The key thing is this: AI should help your workflow become faster and more efficient, and AI Human does a really good job at that and have privacy and speed. This section, another thing worth maintaining is privacy and speed. According to the website, texts are processed in real time and deleted immediately afterward. They also claim not to use submitted content for model training. That's important, especially if you are working with client content or sensitive information. And in terms of speed, the tool is actually pretty fast. Most results appear in just a couple seconds. So overall, is AI tomorrow worth trying? Honestly, absolutely. Especially because the tool is free to use and doesn't require sign up for basic usage. If your goal is to make a generated content feel more readable, more natural, and less robotic, AI to Human does an excellent job. And compared to a lot of random AI writing tools online, this one feels cleaner, better, smarter, and far more advanced. The results genuinely feel human-like, which is exactly what most creatures are looking for right now. So, whether you are a content creator, marketer, student, or business owner, AI to Human is definitely a tool worth checking out. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you want to test AI to human yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want me to review next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.